Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm making this easy side dish with cauliflower. It is loaded cauliflower casserole. You can find the recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com, and search for cauliflower casserole. Okay, let's get started with this loaded cauliflower casserole. I've already got some riced cauliflower in this bowl, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I don't rice my own cauliflower, or very rarely. So this was frozen riced cauliflower, and I went ahead and microwaved it according to the package directions. So this was two 12-ounce packages, or about 4 cups. So we are going to add our ingredients to it, and then we're going to put it in a casserole dish and bake it in the oven. So first, I'm going to add some salt to our riced cauliflower. About a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. Cauliflower is pretty bland, so we want to make sure we season it really nicely. We're also going to add some minced garlic, some butter, so some heavy cream. This is 1/3 cup of heavy cream. That was 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter. And now we've got 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and 6 slices of bacon that I diced, and then I cooked in the skillet. So we're gonna put all of this in there and stir it up. This is a really easy recipe. Makes a perfect side dish for chicken or whatever you want to serve it with. And all of that cheese is going to melt when it bakes, and it's going to be nice and cheesy and delicious. Okay, now we can pour it in this casserole dish. Hopefully it will all fit. Now we'll just spread out the top, and of course we need to top it with more cheese. Now we're going to top this with some more cheese, just because why not? And then we are going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until all of the cheese melts and it's nice and bubbly. All right, here's our casserole out of the oven. It looks delicious. And now we are going to serve some onto our plate. It is super cheesy. Look at that. And now we can top it with a little sour cream and some green onion, just like we would a loaded baked potato. Let me get a different spoon. I can taste it, make sure it's delicious. Pretty sure it is. So get all that cheese and the bacon in there, get some of the sour cream and green onion. It is perfect. Perfectly seasoned. Thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please go to jenniferbands.com and search for cauliflower casserole to find the recipe, the printable recipe, and be sure you make this for your kids, and I bet you can trick them to think, maybe they'll think it's potatoes. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.